Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we delve into the fascinating world of inflammation and explore how our diet plays a crucial role in managing it. Inflammation can lead to various health issues, but the good news is that certain foods and vegetables can help combat it. Join us as we explore powerful options that can enhance your health and well-being. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Check out our related content for more health tips. Your engagement enables us to continue providing valuable information and tips for a healthier life. I appreciate your support. Berries. Berries such as blueberries and strawberries are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which play a vital role in reducing inflammation. These compounds help neutralize free radicals and lower inflammatory markers in the body. To enjoy their benefits, consider adding berries to your morning smoothie, topping your yogurt, or mixing them into salads for a delicious and nutritious boost. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation by inhibiting inflammatory pathways in the body. To incorporate more fatty fish into your diet, try grilling, baking, or adding them to salads for a tasty and healthy meal option. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, are packed with compounds like sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol that help combat inflammation. These powerful nutrients work by reducing oxidative stress in the body. To enjoy these veggies, try roasting them with olive oil, adding them to stir-fries, or blending them into smoothies for a nutritious boost. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are essential for an anti-inflammatory diet due to their high nutrient content, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. To boost your intake, consider adding leafy greens to smoothies or tossing them into salads for a delicious and nutritious meal. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy, monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which play a significant role in reducing inflammation. Their creamy texture makes them incredibly versatile, perfect for salads, smoothies, or as a spread. When selecting avocados, look for ones that yield slightly to gentle pressure. Store them at room temperature until they are ripe. Once ripe, store them in the fridge to maintain freshness. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation in the body. Interestingly, cooked tomatoes often provide higher levels of lycopene compared to raw ones, enhancing their health benefits. To incorporate more tomatoes into your diet, try making fresh salsa, a hearty tomato sauce for pasta, or a vibrant caprese salad for a delicious twist. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is renowned for its numerous health benefits, particularly its ability to reduce inflammation. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, it helps reduce oxidative stress in the body. To incorporate olive oil into your meals, use it as a base for salad dressings, drizzle it over roasted vegetables, or use it for sautéing to enhance flavor and nutrition. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as walnuts, almonds, and chia seeds, play a vital role in an anti-inflammatory diet due to their healthy fats and high fiber content. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and support heart health. To enjoy their benefits, add them to smoothies, sprinkle them on salads, or enjoy them as a nutritious snack throughout the day. Turmeric. Turmeric is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties, primarily due to curcumin, its active compound. Curcumin has been linked to various health benefits, including reduced inflammation and improved joint health. To incorporate turmeric into your meals, try adding it to curries, smoothies, or soups for a delicious and nutritious addition. a pinch of black pepper, can enhance curcumin absorption, maximizing its health benefits. Ginger. Ginger contains potent compounds like gingerol and shogal, which are known for their anti-inflammatory effects. This versatile root can enhance both savory dishes and sweet beverages. To incorporate ginger into your daily meals, try adding fresh ginger to stir-fries, brewing it in teas, or using it in smoothies for a flavorful and health-boosting kick. Peppers. Peppers, including bell and chili varieties, are excellent for reducing inflammation due to their high vitamin C content and antioxidant properties. These vibrant vegetables not only add flavor, but also boost your immune system. To enjoy their benefits, try adding sliced bell peppers to salads, roasting chili peppers for a spicy kick, or blending them into salsas and sauces. Mushrooms. Mushrooms, such as shiitake and maitake, are known for their impressive anti-inflammatory benefits and immune-boosting properties. Rich in antioxidants and beta-glucans, they help support overall health. To incorporate mushrooms into your meals, try sautéing them with garlic for a flavorful side dish, adding them to soups and stir-fries, or using them as a meat substitute in various recipes. Grapes. Grapes are packed with antioxidants, particularly resveratrol, which plays a significant role in fighting inflammation and promoting heart health. These compounds help protect blood vessels and reduce oxidative stress. To enjoy grapes, snack on them fresh, freeze them for a refreshing treat, or add them to salads and cheese boards for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, primarily due to the presence of catechins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Regular consumption may improve heart health and boost metabolism. To enjoy green tea, brew it with hot water, not boiling, for 2 to 3 minutes, and consider adding a slice of lemon for an extra flavor boost. Root vegetables. Root vegetables like carrots, beets, and sweet potatoes are excellent additions to an anti-inflammatory diet due to their nutrient density and high fiber content. These veggies provide essential vitamins and minerals while promoting digestive health. To enjoy root vegetables, try roasting them with herbs, adding them to soups, or mashing them for a comforting side dish that's both delicious and nutritious. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and antioxidants, making them a powerful ally in reducing inflammation. Their vibrant color indicates a wealth of nutrients, including beta-carotene. Versatile in the kitchen, sweet potatoes can be baked, mashed, or roasted to perfection. For a delicious twist, try adding them to soups or salads, or enjoy them as a healthy snack. Purple vegetables. Purple vegetables such as eggplant and purple cabbage are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which help combat inflammation and promote overall health. These vibrant veggies not only add color to your plate, but also provide essential nutrients. To incorporate purple vegetables into your meals, try grilling eggplant, adding purple cabbage to salads, or using it in stir-fries for a nutritious boost. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which help combat inflammation and promote heart health. When selecting dark chocolate, opt for varieties with a cocoa content of at least 70% to maximize health benefits. To enjoy dark chocolate in moderation, consider savoring a small square as a treat, adding it to smoothies, or incorporating it into healthy dessert recipes. In this video, we explored various foods that help reduce inflammation, including berries, fatty fish, leafy greens, and other healthy options. Remember, incorporating these nutrient-rich options into your diet can significantly enhance your health. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share the video with others who may benefit from these anti-inflammatory tips.